Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel and new video, Instagram new update future. So I am going to today my new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram draw option not showing problem today here. Okay, let's see how to fix it. At first go to your Play Store app and update to the last version Instagram. Okay, search icon, search for Instagram, click here Instagram. Now click here, Instagram is update available here, and go back to home screen, go to your phone settings, scroll down little bit, click on apps, scroll down little bit. Now click on search icon, search for Instagram, click here Instagram. Now scroll down little bit, search, click on storage. Now click on clear cache and clear data, go back, click on force stop, click on OK, click on scroll up, click on permissions and make sure all permission is enabled. Go back to home screen. Now restart your device, click here restart option, OK, and open Instagram again. Click on message option. Now click on any conversion. Now click on plus icon and see draw option new. Click here and under the color option here and now drawing here. By doing this process you can easily successfully. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.